Hello, everybody. Good morning. Happy Monday. Happy May. Happy Star Wars Day. Today's Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. I sadly do not have a Star Wars t shirt on right now. I usually do on this day, so I guess I'll have to go throw it on. I just realized that when I saw it was May 4th. So, anyway, it's good to be with you guys. Hopefully, everything's going well. Just going to take you through the weekly overview. I don't really have many all class announcements except for this one. Under classwork, in all classes, I've made this topic here. It's called weekly participation. It's not graded. I know that that's immediately you're going to tune out when I say that, but I should tell you that I'm not grading weekly participation. But what I'm doing is I'm going around the internet. I'm trying to find some of the most interesting topics and content out there for you guys, share it, and hopefully spark a little bit of discussion. So if you're looking for something to go above and beyond, just to prove to me that you're really putting the work in, putting the effort in, I would really urge you guys to be doing these weekly participations. It means a lot to me if you are doing them and sparking some conversation. And if things come down to it, and you're missing an assignment or something like that, but you've been doing these weekly participations, me, we can always work something out. So anyway, last week, and you can do these anytime. They have due dates, but I discussed that in the last video. Due dates are floating. You It doesn't have to be exactly on the due date. Do it a couple days later. We don't want stuff 2 weeks late, but if you do it within a few days of the due date, you should be just fine. So last week I posted this one. It was about Apple and Google teaming up. It's a pretty interesting article. They're basically doing something with the Bluetooth in your phone, where if somebody is diagnosed with coronavirus, and they report that they were positive for a test via the app, it notifies anybody that came in contact with that person by tracking their phones and tracking their Bluetooth. So kind of cool, kind of controversial. Didn't know what you guys thought about that. So if you guys want to take a shot at that one, go for it. And then this week, I found this coronavirus Mythbusters, which actually I need to add the link to biology. But if you go on, it's really cool. If you go on the WHO's website, they have this coronavirus Mythbusters. It's all the crazy things that you've been hearing on TV and etc. of things about the coronavirus that maybe they're real, maybe they're not. This link, it's sourced and it explores all of those things for you guys. So hopefully that link works. Let me just test it. Yeah. Cool. All right, so that's all set for you guys. All right, so now I'll go class by class like I've been doing. So feel free to skip ahead in this video if I'm not talking about your class. All right, so starting out with biology. So biology, you have your weekly participation, which is at the top, and your 2 assignments. So we are starting genetics this week. We're going to spend 2 weeks on genetics. This week we'll take care of notes. Next week I'll try to put together a couple activities, maybe some sort of lab type activity. But anyway, your first one is going to be your notes. These are the notes that we usually see in class. So you can read through those notes, and then your assignment number 1 is going to be to record 10 facts from the notes. Just show me that you read them, record some interesting facts here about genetics. And as always, when you X out, don't forget to click turn in. So we're going to be just concentrating on notes and getting the content down for assignment number 1. And then for assignment number 2, I found this article. It's called What's on Your Genes? So just an interesting little read for you. You can go through this article, read through it, and do a summary. So when you click the second thing, you're going to do a 150-word summary. I, again, put the link to the article there, What's on Your Genes. So pretty straightforward week for you guys. Kind of try to simplify things as much as possible with everything that's been going on. So hopefully that works out well for you guys. All right, that's biology. I don't have anything else for you. Unless you have anything for me, you can always leave a comment in the video or text me on Remind. Okay, switching to elements of healthcare. Elements of healthcare, you guys last week finished up law. I graded most of your projects. They were really, 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 really good. I'm proud of you guys. You guys, obviously, those of you that did it, put forth a lot of effort. I could tell just the way you made your presentations look and everything. They were all really good. So I enjoyed reading through them. Hopefully, if you didn't get a chance to watch the civil action, that's still in there if you go under classwork. If you missed that last week, I put a video in here for you guys. It's not a video, it's a movie, like a full-length feature movie. It's a legal movie. I thought you guys would enjoy it. So that's on there. All right, so same thing sort of as last week, except a new topic. So we have our notes posted here. It's chapter 9. We're moving into cultural diversity, which I just noticed a typo. That's got to get fixed. So anyway, you've got your notes here, and then when you click on this, it's going to be a 10 facts. So just proving to me that you read through and looked over the notes. As always, I will be doing video versions of the notes for you guys to watch as well. So if you wanted to, while you watch the video, my video notes, you could record the 10 facts, and then you could kill two birds with one stone. You'd get that assignment done probably in about 10 minutes if you did it that way. And then for assignment number 2, I put a quiz. So this is a true false quiz. It's only 10 questions. You can do it on a piece of paper, take a picture and submit, or you can just put your true and false answers on this Google Doc I made for you. Just make sure, as always, that you attach and submit all your work. So that's week 7. You guys also have the Coronavirus Mythbusters participation. It's a participation thing. It's not graded. It's just for fun. So hopefully you guys take advantage of that. All right, that's Elements Healthcare. Moving on to medical terminology. So the most changes to any of my classes will be to medical terminology. So you guys will be happy probably to hear this. Some of you might be sad, but probably the minority of you would be sad. The majority of you are going to be very happy. So again, you have weekly participation. I put the Coronavirus Mythbusters here for you. All right, and now this week we have 2 assignments, assignment 1 and assignment number 2. Assignment number 1 is to do your workbook only. That's it. Okay, I'm no longer requiring you to do the entire notebook. It's too hard for me to grade. It's too hard for me to look at the pictures. I can't really tell who's doing it, who's not doing it. You might just be taking a picture of the first 10 words and turning it in. And then some people are probably going all out and doing it correctly. I just want to simplify things. So Quizlets will always be there for you guys if you need them. However, I'm just requiring you to do your workbook. If you forgot where they were in class resources, let me do it this way. It's a lot easier for me to see. If you go down to class resources, I uploaded all the workbooks from chapter 7 through 9 for you guys. I can just copy that link and add it in the assignment too, I guess. I guess that would be nice of me to do. Alleviate some confusion. Let me just paste that in there for you guys. Add link. Oops. Let's add link. So this will take you right to that. Hopefully that works. Yeah. As long as you're already signed in. So anyway, there you go. There's all your workbooks. I guess I got to upload some more, but there's up through, I uploaded workbooks through 9 on there, so you can just get that workbook there for you. Sorry, my phone's going off. Week 7 assignment number 2 is going to be your exam. I'll post it like I've been posting it. You can do your answers on a Google Doc and turn it in. I just haven't gotten a chance to scan it yet. I will do so in the next day or 2. I got kind of a crazy day today. Cars in the shop, running around. But I will be available for you guys all day, and I wanted to get this video up first thing in the morning. All right, so that is those 2 assignments. As far as last week is concerned, you guys have been doing a pretty good job, and everything's going pretty good. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I got for you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it was informative to you. Be safe. Keep in touch. Send me messages. Say what's up. Miss you guys. Hope everything's going well. All right. Have a good day. Enjoy it.